Social media can be a blessing or a curse. It all depends on how we use it. A very warm good morning to you all, respected teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friends. I am Pushpa standing in front of you to deliver a short presentation on the topic of the impact of social media on teenagers. Social media has become an important part of our life. Social media has become an important part of our daily life. Platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube allows teenagers to communicate with their friends, share their thoughts, learn new skills, and discover information from all around the world. Social media has many positive effects. It helps students to find educational content, it helps to be connected with family and friends and learn new cultures. And it also provides many opportunities to discover new interests and skills. However, social media also has some negative effects. Spending a lot of time on social media can distract students from their studies, reduces physical activity and affect our sleep. Social media should be used wisely and responsibly. In conclusion, I would like to say that social media has many advantages and disadvantages. We should remember that social media is a useful tool, but it should not control our life. Thank you and have a great day.